had a couple of forward variations. So in the sugar push, the ladies are doing a knee swivel. So she's got 1, 2, and on the 4, she angles more dramatically than normal. The knees and the lowering action happen together. So you draw, and when the ankles touch, she rotates and steps back into stretch, right? Then the men can do a sweep on the telemark. So 1, 2, into the 6. He's gonna lunge out a little bit, and he's gonna sweep it around, anchor, step, as we do that. Okay, does everybody see that? Everybody cool?
Cool.
Okay, so now triple bypass. Here's what happens. Everything to the 4 is the same except for the hand is more in frame. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Men, you want to help her stay nice and steady as you French cross past her. Side cross side. Girls, as I feel that much energy and rotation, the triple feels really good there. Plus I can kind of see him not doing a walk. Now as he sends me out with a lunge, rotating his frame to the left. Do you see how I didn't really have an option? Which we like, right? As long as we don't feel like we're being manhandled. So we go, which I never do with Dan. So it goes 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. There you go. Good work.